Hello and welcome to 2020 Construction Cloud's Project Portal. You've been invited by a user of 2020 Construction Cloud software to view information related to a project with which you may be involved. You've got an email that looks something like this inviting you into the 2020 Construction Cloud Project Portal. It will have the name of the company that sent you the invitation. Let's click on this option to accept the invitation. It takes us to a new screen here. It identifies our login for us already. There's our email address. This is what we're going to use to log into the software. And it is telling me my name, but that's not our login. The email address exactly as shown will be your login. And it is case sensitive, exactly as shown. So you have the simple task now of creating a password for yourself. Before we confirm this, we can see at the top there's a web address. Right now, this is the URL to access my sample data. You're going to have a different one. Once we have that, maybe we want to bookmark it. So again, pay attention to that. It's going to be different. Now I'll confirm. Once I have confirmed, it takes me to a new screen where I have an option of going to the project portal. Let's click on there. I see a couple projects that I have access to. All right, so maybe it's a longer list and I know I just want to search for one of them. So I'll just start typing. All right, there's the one that matches something in what I'm typing here. So I'll click on that one, and it shows some information on the project. So first of all is the company that sent me the information, and we're collaborating on the Rheingig resident an addition, and we have different tabs here. This first tab for the stakeholders shows us other people that might be involved with the project. In this case, Terry Gamley is the project manager. I have another one for bid packages, where maybe I'll see some estimate information. And as I get into the project documents, I have several more options below. If this project has drawings, specifications, daily logs, etc., and I've been given permission to see them, I should see them within these tabs. Let's take a look. Starting with drawings. There are 3 drawings on this project, numbered P01 through P03, with the title of each one, the discipline, maybe the type of work, and a set name, in this case original. In this current column, these are all marked as true. Had one been marked as false, that would indicate that that has been replaced with a revised version. Now, I have 2 icons towards the end of these. One is a pair of binoculars, one is a down arrow, and a little inbox, basically. So this first one is a preview button. The second one is a download. If I click on preview of one of these, a new browser tab will open, and there's my drawing. I can preview that in the browser. If I actually want to download a copy onto my system, we can click this box here, and this will be the download. That actually gets downloaded to my system now. Other tabs, specifications. This also has specifications and the same type of buttons over here. Let's click on one of these previews. Tab opens. There's some information on the specified bit of concrete. Daily logs. Either there aren't any daily logs for this project yet, or I don't have permission to see them. Moving on, RFIs, same thing, and you can keep moving through. Submittals, hey, there are submittals here. This submittal is new. There's other information that needs to be added, but it is listed here. If I click on it, it actually takes me to a form inside the system, our submittal form. We see a little more information. The status is in draft, who created it and when. We could print this out perhaps. We actually see documents that are also related to it here. So little thumbnails of that. And we can download each document. And if I have many documents, we can say download all of them. Those are the submittal details. And if we click on the review team, oh, well, this person is going to be asked to review it. Close that when you're finished. And now you can search for another project and its information. Your permissions may change over time. Some jobs may be removed, some may be added, and you may be asked to collaborate on them. Feel free to log out when you're done.